On February 24th of 2020, life changed for immigration lawyers and intending immigrants alike. USCIS and the Department of State issued a new policy regarding the public charge ground of inadmissibility. So a person is inadmissible to the United States if they are likely to become a public charge. So what does that mean? Well, if you are likely to go on public benefits like food stamps or Medicaid, then you are likely to become a public charge. And you have to prove as the intending immigrant that you are not likely to become a public charge when you apply for a green card or an immigrant visa. So it used to be that all you'd have to do is have the U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident relative that was petitioning for you. They would be your sponsor, and they would establish that they make 125% or more of the federal poverty level. And for a household of two, that's around $21,000, a little bit more. And then it goes up incrementally for larger household sizes. If you were able to submit a last year's tax return that showed that that person made 125% of the federal poverty level, that was usually the end of the inquiry. But now, as of February of 2020, there's a whole lot more that goes into the analysis. In fact, USCIS has created a whole new form called the I-944 form that you have to submit along with evidence as well. And USCIS is going to look at a whole lot of factors in determining whether you're likely to become a public charge. One of the things that they're going to look at is if you have received public benefits in the past. So over a course of for 12 months, over a 3-year period, they're going to look to determine whether you've received benefits, public benefits. They're also going to look at several factors, like your assets, your liabilities, your age, your credit score, your credit report, your health, whether you have health insurance or not, your employment, your ability to earn, your family size, factors like that. And they're going to take all of those things into consideration in determining whether you've proven that you're not likely to become a public charge. There are lots of things that aren't public benefits. So we get questions about like unemployment compensation. That is not a public benefit. A lot of state benefits are not considered public benefits. So it has to be one of the listed public benefits that they look at. This is a complex and new area of immigration. So it's very important that even if you are financially stable, you talk to an immigration lawyer about what USCIS is expecting, because it is your burden to prove that you're not likely to become a public charge. So even if you are not likely to become a public charge, if you don't submit the proper evidence to USCIS, your application could be denied.